Do you like your new baby? Do you like your new baby?
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Mita.
Quiet. Baby's sleeping.
Baby's sleepy, Mita. Shh.
I want to take her over.
What?
And do you want it?
Where are you taking her?
I think this is no sleeping. I think it's this baby.
Hi, Manny. Hi, Manny.
Hi, Lisa. Good morning.
She said, hi, Isa. Good morning. Isa's already in bed.
Yeah, I'm sleeping. Good morning. It's baby.
That's Isa. Where's your new baby? We have to give this new baby a name. We have to think of a good name. Because she's special.
Quiet.
Okay, look at Mommy. No, those are your clothes. I just washed them. Look at Mommy. Say bye-bye, Auntie Shelly.
Bye-bye, outside.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Look at the camera. Blow kisses for everybody. Blow kisses to everybody. Oh, that's nice. Okay, bye.
Bye.